Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's menu I'll be making peppered pomo. This recipe is fast and easy to make. So here is the pomo I'll be using for this recipe. I'll start by cleaning the pomo. I'll make sure I clean it well with an iron sponge to get rid of all the dirt in the pomo. Now I'm done cleaning the pomo. I'm just making sure it is clean and there are no dirt in it anymore. So I'll go ahead to cut the pomo into smaller chunks. After cutting the pomo into smaller chunks, I'm going to add enough salt to the pomo. This will make the pomo tasty when it gets into the sauce. I'll set this aside and go ahead to prepare the peppers. I'll be using some tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper and tatashe red bell pepper for my pepper mix. Firstly, I'm going to slice the red onions. I won't blend these onions with the pepper. But if you don't like seeing slice of onions, you can blend yours into the pepper. After slicing the onions, I'll go ahead to grate my pepper with a hand grater. Now it's time to get cooking proper. So I'm going to add some vegetable oil into a pan on fire. When the oil gets hot, I'm going to add the sliced red onions. I'll allow the onions fry for a bit. I won't let it fry for too much. I only allowed it fry for like a minute, and I transferred my pepper mix into the oil. I'll give this a good stir and cover it up to cook for a bit. So the sauce has been cooking for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to give this a good stir. You can see the pepper has changed in color. That means the pepper is getting cooked. The color has changed from bright to dull. So now I'm going to add in my crayfish stock cube. I'm going to add some crayfish into the sauce and I'll stir everything together. The sauce still has a bit of water in it, so I'm still going to leave this to cook for a while till the water in it is dried. Now the sauce is well cooked, there's no water in it anymore, so I'm going to transfer the kpomo into the sauce and stir everything together. I'm going to give this a good stir. I won't be adding salt to this sauce because remember I added salt to the pomo, so the salt is okay for this sauce. But if you taste your own sauce and you feel it's not tasty enough, you can add more salt. So I'm going to add in more sliced onions to give it a fresh onion taste and flavor. I gave this a good stir and covered it up to cook for 2 more minutes, and a yummy peppered pomo is ready. Will you be trying this recipe? What do you think about this yummy recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Till I come your way next time. Bye.